Skyscrapers, offices and museums. This is 22@, or 22@, Barcelona's hub for innovation, creativity, design and technology. This area is also home to some examples of contemporary architecture in Barcelona. In the past, the neighborhood of Poblenou, where 22@ is located, used to be an industrial zone with old factories and warehouses that are still part of the area's architecture.
When they start this transformation process of the 22@, basically what they do is they make a catalog of the pre-existing factories that are worth to be kept. We'll call this the industrial heritage, and those have to be integrated within the new projects.
22@ is an international hub for contemporary architecture in Barcelona. Here, Catalan and international designers leave their mark. French architect Jean Novell envisioned Glòries, a tower that changed the city's skyline and used to host Barcelona's water supply company.
So if you have a look at these different colors, you will see red tones and blue tones. The red tones directly refer to the earth and the blue tones to the sky. So it very much depends on how the sun incides in the building.
Catalonia is known for Gaudí and other modernist geniuses. But after him, and especially in the most recent times, there have been plenty of other significant architects. Some of these include Josep Benedito and Ramon Valls, who both designed the UPF University campus. The old and the new constructions are integrated but never come into contact as the architects left a gap between an old chimney and the floor.
In the 1950s, you have a lot of interesting architects and also contemporary architects that would then dialogue with the pre-existing architecture. You have international architects as Jean Novell, Toyo Ito, Isozaki that would build in Barcelona.
Another example of integrated architecture is Can Framis, a new building involved in the remnants of a factory.
Then you can go outside Barcelona and you will find small pobles that have outstanding architecture. You just have to go there. You can go to Olot, for instance. There you can find all the magnificent architecture of the Pritzker Cup winners RCR.
One would imagine nice architecture as expensive, with little usability. But local architects Marta Peris and José Toral transformed 40 square meter apartments into comfortable homes.
So a wonderful exercise which shows us that with little money you can also do wonderful architecture. If you compare those buildings has a far lower cost than other buildings that you see around here.
The past, present and future all meet at 22@. In the area, the City Council has piloted the urban planning layout known as Superblocks.
The idea of the Superblock is to increase the public space, to reduce the noise, to reduce pollution. The big problems that we have nowadays in Barcelona. We don't have a lot of space, we have a lot of cars, and it's quite noisy.
Superblocks may be the future in reducing pollution, but right now it is only a pilot scheme. Another example is Glòries Square, where authorities change a highway intersection into a park for the residents.